यो तीनवटा भयो हैन तीनवटा हाम्रो normal distributionबाट आएको छ है so there are three normal distributionबाट जसमा के अब यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो के भयो भन्दाखेरि यसमा mean यसको चाहिँ first को के छ mean कति छ हेर्नुस् त first को mean कति छ first x1 को mean कति छ 0 हैन mean 0 standard deviation कति छ
0.7 sir
0.7 है अनि 1000 वटा पोइन्ट्सहरु हो यसै गरी यसमा हाम्रो mean कति छ सेकेन्ड को x2 को mean कति छ
mean -2
-2 छ यसै गरी त्यसपछि standard deviation 1 भयो त्यसै गरी थर्ड मा के छ mean 3 छ and standard deviation 1.5 छ है so अनि यो तीनटैलाई एउटैमा प्लट गरौँ के है यो गर्दा हामीले KWRs दिएको छौं है so हुन्छ यो नदिए पनि it's okay so let's try without it right without it and then I'll show you with it okay so हामीले simply के गरौँ भन्दाखेरि okay so plt.test let's put x1 this is likewise okay so x2 and x3 okay let's see so यो गर्दा चाहिँ यस्तो है तर it's not very useful because the overlap एकअर्कालाई हामीले छेकिरहेछौं के है so rather त्यसलाई how do we fix it right भनेपछि we're going to have to use some kind of alpha you know सबैमा हामीले alpha is equal यसो नगरेर हामीले KWRs बाट दियो भने चाहिँ सबै हामीले त्यो डुप्लिकेट गर्नु पर्दैन के so let me show you हैन so हामीले के गर्न सकिन्छ भन्दाखेरि यहाँनेर हैन कीवर्ड आर्गुमेन्ट्स है के आर्ग्स KWRs भनेको चाहिँ कीवर्ड आर्गुमेन्ट्स is equal to and as a dictionary form dictionary यसरी गरेर हुन्छ dict यसरी गरेर so dict मा हामी के गरौँ भन्दाखेरि alpha है dict मा चाहिँ के गर्नु भने alpha is equal to 0.5 here right and this is let's see step fill okay give you step fill okay so step fill is type equal to step fill okay this type is equal to step fill okay and this is you can also do okay bins is equal to say let's say 30 right these would have been new let's see I think alpha near that as well right so and then let's try it out right so I'm your arbitrary argument okay arbitrary keyword argument right asterisk एउटा दियो भने चाहिँ regular arbitrary argument भयो भ्यालुजहरु मात्रै भयो र हाम्रो keyword arguments भन्छ यसलाई जुनमा के की भ्यालु पेयर्सहरु छ भने डबल asterisk गर्नुपर्छ कि है KWRs गर्यो भने यो basically is just a dictionary है by the way है तपाईले KWRs print गर्नु भने it's just a dictionary है it's just a dictionary it's a dictionary right so okay so all I need to do is this okay. So right here and right here okay, let's see so you got it when now you'll see here see nicely you can see that right of our ends see of your keyword your tinted distributions or and you can see that you know say your first ko jun orange ko mean kati jati wala orange wala cha ni mean kati jati cha around
-2 sir
-2 कि -3 जति होला कि है अलिकति यता छ नि mean तपाईको peak चाहिँ अलिकति -2 भन्दा अझै लग्छ सो around -3 होला हैन जस्तै ब्लू को कति छ ब्लू को मीन कति छ तिम्रो
त्यसको
अराउन्ड पिक चाहिँ कहाँनिर छ
पिक
जिरो
भनेको थोरै माइनसमा होला सर जिरो भन्दा
एक्ज्याक्टली
थोरै
around 0 मै छ around 0 मै छ हैन so okay so yeah I mean orange ko maybe exactly the arbitrary side -2 maybe it might be -2 तर त्योभन्दा अगाडि त्योभन्दा अग्लो एकदम सुपर अग्लो जुन सबभन्दा अग्लो भाग चाहिँ यता अलिकति उता लेफ्ट साइडमा छ त्यसले गर्दा त्यो हिसाबले मैले -2 भन्दा अलिकति लेफ्टमा छ के भने हो है so है but if you look over here you can find out right here right so yeah you're right -2 मै रहेछ है एउटा चाहिँ -2 मा छ एउटा 0 छ अनि अर्को चाहिँ 3 मा छ 3 है एउटा 3 मा छ है so ठिक छ okay very good so यसरी हामीले we were able to plot all of these three three data है तिनटैको हिस्टोग्राम एउटैमा and you can see the relative उनीहरुको हैन relatively so सबभन्दा बढी स्ट्यान्डर्ड डिभिएसन कुनको छ कुन चाहिँ कभरको छ सबभन्दा बढी स्ट्यान्डर्ड डिभिएसन
ग्रीन कलर सर
है very good green color चाहिँ of course त्यसमा हेर्नु भने 1.5 है त्यो थर्ड मा है so यसको जसको 3 छ नि यसको 3 छ mean त्यसको सबभन्दा हाईएस्ट स्ट्यान्डर्ड डिभिएसन छ of course that shows here in the data right okay histogram मा देखिन्छ right okay so histograms are really useful एकदमै useful हुन्छ okay so, all right so let's see. Customizing plot legends okay plot legends give meaning to visualization assigning labels to various plot elements okay or legend use garyo bhane chai of course you can I'll quickly I don't want to spend too much time on this because this so so you can because I provided you the notes so you can do it okay so let's me just do that yes ma'am you simply के गरेछौ x equal to एम्पियर लेन्थ स्पेस 0 to 10 1000 वटा 0 देखि 10 को बीचमा 1000 वटा पोइन्ट्सहरु इक्वल स्पेस्ड है अनि यसलाई हामी के गर्यौं भन्दाखेरि फिग एक्सिस पीएलटी र सब प्लस भइहाल्यो है अनि यसमा चाहिँ हामी के गरेछौं भन्दाखेरि एउटामा चाहिँ हामी के गर्यौं भन्दाखेरि साइन है साइन अफ एक्स अर्कोमा चाहिँ कस अफ एक्स है अनि यो दुईवटा प्लट गर्यो and this is you can see here right here so यो गरेपछि के भयो भन्दाखेरि यहाँनेर के भयो लेभल है यसमा जस्तै एक्स्ट्रा प्लट यो लेभल दिएको छौ नि है अब यो राखेन भने चाहिँ आउँदैन है जस्तै हेर्नुस् है जस्तै यो छैन okay so see here we go so अब यसमा let me run this again जस्तै मैले यहाँ यो लेभलमा जे दिएको छु नि जस्तै मैले साइन अफ एक्स भनेर दिएको छु त्यसै गरी यहाँ तल कोसाइन अफ एक्स भनेर दिएको छु हैन so those are seen in the level so यो चाहिँ के भयो लेजेन्ड भयो so हेर्नुस् न लेजेन्ड है x डट लेजेन्ड गरेपछि के हुन्छ भने है यो लेगमा राख्नु पर्दैन let's delete that right so sin of x र cosine of x right so like यसरी यो लेजेन्ड दिन्छ के so and then you can customize that legend and all this, right so you can customize the legend the same way location correct right so I'm going to do it right here right so it's not legend okay location lock is equal to lower right right lock location is equal to so I can give okay. lower say, lower right space right lower space right so lower right yeah lower right you know let's say lower left on सक्छ हैन upper right on सक्छ upper left on सक्छ हैन so how about this upper left let's try this okay upper left so you can customize this right you can customize the legend let's say customize so you can also do frame on right you can also do for example frame on sorry right? So comma frame on, right? Frame on is equal to false, right? So let's see. See frame sign, right? I can frame here. We frame guy, right? All right. So frame on is equal to false. Then number of columns and call, right? And the end call equal to 2 got even given just in this right here, right? Number of columns and call is equal to, right? You got even data column lines, right? There are 2 columns right here, right? Okay, 1 second. So, all right. So this thing got here. So many other things that you do. Okay, border 18.3, shadow equal to true, border particle ones, all these kind of things. They're I figured all right. Yes, I don't know. Okay, so it's in the notes. So एक मिली one also one side. Right? So I'll rather focus on those things that you need explanation. Right? So choosing elements for the legend. Okay? So we can fine tune which elements in labels appear in the legend by using the objects returned by plot command. Right? So इसमें से क्या हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि build command is used to create multiple plots at once. See? So इसमा you can see there. Okay. So यसमा multiple plots छ तर हामीले चाहिँ यसमा खालि हामीले यहाँ दुईवटा दियौँ नि हैन. So फर्स्ट र सेकेन्ड भनेर चाहिँ दियौँ हैन. सो भनेपछि यसले चाहिँ दुईटा मात्रै देखाउँछ कि है दुईटा मात्रै देखाउँछ. किनभने हामीले यहाँ चाहिँ यो दुईवटा मात्रै फर्स्ट र सेकेन्ड दियौँ नि. So it'll just give us these two, and then yeah, I'm okay? So you can look through the notes and try them out. Okay? So isma say isma level दियो, right? Here we give level here first दियो, right? अर्को plot मा चाहिँ level equal to second दियो, right? And it's just हामीले third त्यसपछिकोमा दिएन, है त्यसपछिकोमा कुनै पनि दिएन भनेपछि के भयो भन्दाखेरि यसले यो दुईटा जुनमा लेभल छ त्यो मात्रै देखाइन्छ है plot dot legend गरेर है. So you can try them out. Okay, त्यसै गरी legend for size of points. Okay? Okay, so here's a very nice data set. Okay. So let's look at an example of using size of points to indicate population of California cities. Okay? Well, you're an real world data set, which is a California city data set, right? Okay. California जति पनि cities छ त्यसको data छ. Okay, let's see. We got okay, California cities.csv. Okay. So let's read that data set. Right, then one second. So I'm going to have to see where I am. Okay, so I need to maybe we have to let me stop this and then let's see. So let's see. This was how we said California cities. Seattle, California cities, China. Right? So let's see. Okay, so let me do this. Let me see. Okay. So okay. All right, I know where it is. Okay, city. notebooks data, notebooks data. Okay, so cd notebooks. So cd data. So yeah, there's right. So you can see here California cities receives, right? So yes, sir. Okay. So I'm gonna, yes. Right? So what I can do is this. I can start my Jupyter notebook from here. Here's the Jupyter notebook. All right. So is this. Okay. So see, I'm going to here. Okay. Okay. So so here. Okay. Where's that? Okay. So California cities. Okay. So yeah, so okay, I've got this data set right here. I mean, what I can do is right here. Right? Just a second. What I'm going to do is copy that. So let me do one thing. So let's see. Okay. Right? So I'm gonna fix it right away. Right? So I'm gonna go here and then notebooks. Let's see, you have the data set, right? And then all this data are right here. What I can do is rather, right? So data. Like copy that. I'm gonna put it right here. Data files. Okay. So okay. So okay, so it will see now I can this. Yes, maybe I can stop. Okay. So my able to start. So now it's gonna work, right? Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one right here. Okay, so copy this one. Okay, so now let's go back here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, very good. Where's it? So data files. Yes. Okay, so okay, so yes. Okay, no problem. So here, go into data files. Okay. So yeah, there the California city turn. So I'm gonna have to create so many keywords new. Okay, okay. So now, okay, let's start here. Okay. So Isma, what I'm gonna do is this. Okay. So I'm like keywords. Just we can just read this. Right? I'll read what I'm gonna. Okay. So import pandas as PD. Right? And then PD dot read CSV. Okay. Read underscore CSV. And then I can do what is that? California. Okay. So let's I have to see where I start from. DWT California cities, right? California, uh, California, second. California underscore or C small is there. So C, California cities the C, right? And let's put it as data. Okay, data is equal to. So under your data, right? Over your data come so data dot head, right? So data dot head. So you can see here is the California data. So it's my case of city, latitude, longitude, elevation in meters, elevation in feet, population total, right? And population total square miles, and area total, and then so on. Is the count, right? Like got the kilometer, got the area water ko cha, kilometer mo cha, and mile mo pani cha, and then water percent got this harek city ko cha there, right? So say there are different cities, various cities also. So you can take the it's a data dot shape, right? So if you do data dot shape, right, or rather, right? So कतिवटा cities भन्दा 482 वटा, right? California it's the biggest city in the United States, right? And then it's a big state, right? So त्यसमा चाहिँ त्यो एउटा स्टेटमा चाहिँ 482 वटा cities रहेछ. Cities भन्नाले त्यहाँ सानसानो त्यो गाउँहरूलाई पनि city भन्ने चलन छ के त्यहाँ. है त्यसले गर्दा त्यो cities भन्नाले यो सबै एकदम metropolis city हो. है. Okay, so यसमा चाहिँ 482 वटा र 14 वटा के छ भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो there are 14 columns, right? So let's see, data, rather, data that columns, understand? Data columns are case, cities, latitude, longitude, elevation in meter, elevation in feet, right? Population total, area total square miles, area land square miles, and so on, right? Okay, so now we're going to analyze this data. Actually, we're going to have to, plot this and then see the interesting things, right? Okay, so let's extract the data that we're interested in. I'm saying latitude or longitude, any population or area. Okay, that's all we need, right? So I believe we can just do it like that, right? So, okay, so I'll just copy and paste, right? Rather than spending time. Say about cities lat d, right? Lat d. And so lat d or latitude, and cities long d, right? Long d भनेको longitude, right? अनि यो cities lat d गरेपछि lat मा गएर बस्छ, अनि long d गरेपछि long मा बस्छ भनेपछि यो आफैमा यिनीहरु के हुन्छ, lat र long के हुन्छ? These are series, हैन? Those are series. Okay? You see series त्यसै गरी population total, population बस्छ, area total square kilometer, area मा गएर बस्छ, right? So so let's do that. My city is not defined. Okay, rather data, right? And number of data, right? Yes, or no, we can make it a cities so that it's easy. Okay, cities. Okay, UI, and this city is not here. Likewise, and then you see, okay? So just leave that like that. So UI, right? But now your voice, so now we have latitude, we have longitude, we have population, we have area. Right? It's already data science. Okay? And let's tiny data. Right? There are 4 pieces of data. Let's try to plot it. Right? Plot garne. So now first we need to create okay, so we create a figure so that we can use yoga and the size like control सीधै हामीले PLT to scatter गर्ने बित्तिकै त्यो आउँछ आउँदा है तर यो गर्यो भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि we can control the size, right? Size of the figure, right? PLT to figure, right? So I can do PLT dot figure, right? Then I can do fixed size, figure size. Fixed size equal to 3 by 3, 3 inch by 3 inch, right? 3 by 3 inch by 3 inch, or DPI, when you put dots per inch, right? DPI is equal to, let's see how many guys we have, right? So let's see, right? So you're going to have a figure bunch, of course, right? So PLT is not defined, right? So because I have to import matplotlib .plt, sorry, pyplot as PLT, right? So now, sorry, import, right? So you what? So I wrote our figure, yeah, figure I, right? So we got our figure. PLT figure y, and this is scatter on URS, right? So PLT scatter, latitude, longitude, my x my longitude, y my latitude, right? And this see, and the level is equal to none, right? So level के बिना राख्ने color चाहिँ हामी population राखेको छौं and then s मा area and so on. Okay, so let's try that, right? So हामी यहाँ चाहिँ के गरौँ भन्दाखेरि plt, sorry, plt dot scatter, okay? So x मा, okay, rather to, okay, latitude, पहिला latitude राखौँ, है, latitude अनि longitude यहाँबाट आइरहेको छ हेर्नुस् है, latitude longitude, है, अनि त्यसपछि x र y यो भइहाल्यो, अनि हामी के गरिरहेको छौँ भन्दाखेरि level चाहिँ we don't need it, so ठिकै छ, level चाहिएन, है, so we don't need any level, but you see color equal to population राखौँ, है, so color is equal C equal to population. Population मात्र पनि राख्दा हुन्थ्यो, तर के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि population चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि एकदमै यसको रेन्ज चाहिँ एकदमै ठुलो छ कि, few thousand देखि million सम्म जान्छ, त्यसले गर्दाखेरि I mean त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी स्केल डाउन, है, स्केल डाउन चाहिँ त्यसलाई हामीले log मा राख्यो भने के हुन्छ भने स्केल यसको 0 to 7 मा जान्छ कि, है, ओके, सो त्यसले गर्दा हामी np.log log population, है, हामी populationलाई log लिन्छौँ, है, log मा लिन्छौँ, है, log rather log 10, यो भन्यो भने चाहिँ फेरि यो natural log मा जान्छ, है, natural log मा log 10, है, log 10 मा गर्यो, अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ what else we got, s equal to area, है, so size is equal to area, है, area मा राखौँ, अनि line width, okay, I'll just do the bare minimum, है, so let's just do the bare minimum, है, यति मात्रै गरेर, so okay, NP is not defined, okay, let me define NP now, import numpy as NP, right, so you can see this, right, see, now okay, so rather okay, if I put longitude here, so did I latitude, longitude, right, long D, if I do long longitude here, latitude here, okay? So if I do that, see, it very much like California goes in, is this a shape, is this California shape, right? Longitude and latitude, right? So let's put it down here, yeah. Latitude, I think you see longitude, latitude, yes, that's right, right? So yoga, it's pretty much your California data sunny, right? So it's already, right? You can see that, right? So it's the map, California map review is this one, right? So if you look here, this much I'm let's do something here. Say alpha, right? Alpha is equal to 0.5 right here. Let's see. Now you can see that. So अब के भयो भन्दा यहाँ कतिवटा सिटिज सबै सिटिजहरुको म्यापिङ यहाँ आयो हैन, भनेपछि यसको सबभन्दा ठुलो सिटी कुन छ भन्दाखेरि यहाँनिर छ, हेर्नुस् त यहाँ ठुलो सिटीहरु धेरै छैन, हेर्नुस् यहाँ एउटा छ, 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 है, सो अझै यसलाई अझै यो यसको कलर अल्फा अझै घटाइदिउँ, so you can see that, है, So these are stable. It's a Los Angeles, like Miss Metro City, Los Angeles, you say maybe San Diego, and so on. It's a city. You can actually see it just like your map me areas, right? Map me areas, so you can see it there, right? Okay, so see how cool is that, right? So okay, we can put the line width equal to 0, alpha 0.5 value. C map variety. So let's try that one as well. Okay. C map is equal to okay, we write this. Right? So okay, so that's not going to make much difference here, right? And then we can also put color bar, right? Color bar. So, any okay, you want X level, Y level, or renew by area. So you can it's okay. Well, you can put color limit in the handles. Right? We'll just see lim 37. So let's see map. So I need to see what you can do. Your what? So if I do that, missed it somewhere. Okay, so say limit and this is you can put let's go and this way, keep it on Milton. Then we can put the legend, right? Legend for the sites, right? So you got it. We can do, for example, right here. Okay, you see that. And this see we can do legend right here. Okay. Let me just copy and paste this code because we have a little time, right? Time will come to the maybe okay, I can explain in more detail maybe next time, right? But see, it's much better now. Okay, so say about your size, you're saying the total cities. See, this is even more than 500 kilometers square. You open more than 500 kilometers square, so right? So I mean, you're saying around 300 kilometers square and so on. Okay, so it's really hard. So this population. Jun ठुलो छ त्यो पहेँलो पनि छ यो चाहिँ हेर्नुस् त पहेँलो means the population is high population so they right okay so so initially we can do you can see that see right here your code is given right so you can figure it out based on what we have learned so far so basically your population of logs in log 3 देखि 7 right 3 देखि 7 को बीचमा आयो र एक्चुअल पपुलेसन तपाईको लग स्केलले के गर्दिन्छ भन्दाखेरि जुन त्यसको एकदमै हाई रेन्ज हुन्छ नि जस्तै सानो एकदम सानो नम्बरदेखि एकदमै बिग नम्बर छ भने you need to always it's better to use the logma convert गर्नु चाहिँ जायज हुन्छ है so that's what we're doing here है so किनभने यो few thousand if you look at the population range हेर्नुभयो भने तपाईँको you'll see that it's a few 10-15 हजारदेखि लिएर 7-8 million सम्म छ के so त्यसले गर्दाखेरि that's the reason we're converting that to long right okay so and then you can see here यसको your relative was this is Los Angeles, a very big city, right? So see, you can visualize it right here, like in a map. See, actual map na California map na right? But it's a very simple code matter, okay? As you can see, right there. Okay, so all right, so I think we'll stop right here today, right? So tomorrow we'll start from here, right? So tomorrow so okay, I'll do attendance tomorrow. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Bye bye.
Us, sir, us.
Thank you. Okay. Bye bye.